I'm Zhao Wang, an acupuncturist here at Turning Point Physiotherapy. If you're living with chronic pain, you know how it can affect every aspect of your life. But there's hope, and it doesn't involve relying on medication. Acupuncture offers a natural, drug-free way of managing chronic pain. By stimulating specific points on the body, it helps release endorphins, improving circulation and reduce inflammation, giving you relief that lasts. Acupuncture can help manage a variety of chronic pain conditions, including back pain, arthritis, migraines, and fibromyalgia. Each treatment plan is customized to address your unique needs and restore balance to your body. The goal is not just to manage your pain, but to also help you feel better overall, physically, mentally, and emotionally. At Turning Point Physiotherapy, we're dedicated to helping you regain control of your life. Let's work together to find a solution that works for you.